You're about to witness one of the most epic light shows in the night sky. Imagine looking up, and suddenly, a bright streak blazes across the stars. That's what happens during the Perseid meteor shower. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. The Perseid meteor shower is one of the most spectacular astronomical events of the year, and it's about to blow your mind. You're probably wondering, what makes it so special? Well, let's dive in. The Perseid meteor shower occurs every year in mid-August, when the Earth passes through the trail of debris left behind by the Swift-Tuttle comet. This comet is like a big, dirty snowball, and as it orbits the Sun, it sheds tiny particles of ice and rock. When the Earth encounters these particles, they enter our atmosphere at speeds of up to 40 miles per second, burning up and creating those bright streaks we call meteors. But here's the thing. The Perseid meteor shower is more than just a bunch of rocks burning up in the sky. It's a chance to see the remnants of a comet that's been around for thousands of years. The Swift-Tuttle comet is thought to have originated from the outer reaches of the solar system, and it's been making its way around the Sun for millennia. As you watch the meteors streak across the sky, you're seeing a piece of history, a piece of the solar system's past. But what makes the Perseid meteor shower so spectacular? Is it just the number of meteors, or is there something more to it? Let's find out. The key to the Perseid meteor shower's spectacle is the rate at which the meteors appear. On a typical night, you might see a few meteors per hour, but during the Perseid meteor shower, that number can jump to 50 or even 100 meteors per hour. That's a lot of shooting stars, and it's what makes the experience so breathtaking. But there's a catch. The meteor shower is only visible from certain parts of the world, and you need to be in the right place at the right time to see it. The Perseid meteor shower is best seen from the northern hemisphere, and the peak viewing time is usually around 2 a.m. on a warm summer night. So, if you're planning to stay up late to see the meteors, be prepared for a few hours of stargazing. But trust me, it's worth it. As you're watching the meteors, you might start to wonder, what happens to the particles that don't burn up in the atmosphere? Do they make it to the ground, or do they just disintegrate? Well, it turns out that some of the particles can survive their passage through the atmosphere and land on Earth. These are called meteorites, and they're like tiny pieces of the comet that you can hold in your hand. But be warned, meteorites are extremely rare, and finding one is like winning the lottery. Still, it's fun to dream, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to find a piece of the Swift-Tuttle comet. As the night wears on, and the meteors continue to streak across the sky, you might start to feel a sense of awe at the vastness of the universe. The Perseid meteor shower is a reminder that we're part of something much bigger than ourselves, something that's been around for billions of years. And as you gaze up at the stars, you might wonder, what other secrets is the universe hiding? The Perseid meteor shower is just one of many astronomical events that occur throughout the year, and each one is a chance to learn more about the universe and our place in it. So, keep looking up, and who knows what you'll discover. Subscribe for daily science videos.